Hi everyone, I am Shiv Shankar and today I am here to discuss about the multiplication of the matrix in MATLAB. So if you like this channel, then kindly subscribe and share the Gyan Sagar. So this is the topic overall views which I am going to cover. Multiplication of matrix, so row column wise multiplication, and another is element wise multiplication. So let me go to the basic part of the MATLAB. So operation of matrix in MATLAB, what is the syntax for multiplication of matrix in MATLAB? So we can suppose we want to multiply two matrices A and B. So we simply write A into B, and in another way we can write M times A into A comma B. So these are the two ways to write the syntax. So what are the condition? There are different condition to multiply. First condition is number of the column of A must be same as the number of row of B. And if the dimension of A is, we can understand by the example, if dimension of A is P cross Q and dimension of B is Q cross R, so after multiplication the dimension of E B should be P cross R, and this Q must be equal to A as well as in B, means number of column of A must be equal to number of row of B. So this is the overall views of my talk. So let me go to the MATLAB so that we can easily understand. So we will go to the MATLAB and first we will create a file. So in command window we will write edit file name. So suppose my file name is I want to write file name MATLAB calculation. In short, I am writing MATCAL. So after that, I have pressed enter. So this file name is already here. That's why it is coming. So suppose I want to write some another file name. Edit MATCAL 1. So it says that. Do you want to create file? Yes. So I have created one file, MATCAL1. So now I have to define the two matrices. I have to define two matrices. So my first matrix is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is equal to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The dimension of A and B are same, 2 cross 3 and 2 cross 3. I wish to multiply A into B. So in simple mathematical, we can multiply column of row of A, we will multiply with column of B, and corresponding I have shown here. But how to multiply in MATLAB, that I am going to show you. So please follow me. I will explain how to multiply in MATLAB. So it is very simple to multiply in MATLAB. So I have created the file in MATLAB editor window. So after that I will write A. So I will write A is equal to bracket, my A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then it should go in another row. So I am giving semicolon 4, 5, 6. So this is A, and then I am going to define B. So let me execute. So A is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly I will write B. So B is equal to 6, 5, 4, semicolon 3, 2, 1. So I have defined A as well as B. Now I want to multiply A and B. So what to do for multiplication? I will simply write some another matrix. E is it equal to, here I have defined here another matrix. So for multiplication I will write A is already defined here and B is defined here. So after multiplication I will get result 28, 10, 73 and 28. This is mathematical multiplication, we can multiply. But how to multiply in MATLAB, I am going to show you. In MATLAB we can use very simple funda to multiply it. What we will do, we will simply write E is it equal to, capital E is it equal to A into B. So I think it is not going to run because there is error. So we have to write because dimension of A and B is not matching. So we have to write B transpose. So for transpose I am giving dash, then it is going to execute. Now it is coming. So I have defined A matrix, B matrix, and my result is also coming. So let me extend this command window so that it should be visible clear. So my A is coming, B is coming, and after multiplication A is also coming. So this is the row column wise multiplication I have already shown here. And after that we will go to the operation of matrix element wise multiplication. What we will do in element wise multiplication, suppose I have A and B matrix. So A is given, B is given. I want to multiply 1 into 6, 2 into 5, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 5 into 2 and 6 into 1. So corresponding F I will get this 2 cross 3, and then at the end final result should be this. How to multiply these things in MATLAB I am going to show you. So in MATLAB what we will do, we will simply multiply it by we have already we have defined A and B. So what we will do, we want to multiply element wise. So we will write simply we have to remove dash. Dash means transpose, and we will give one extra thing, dot. I am applying dot here, then it is going to execute element wise. It is coming 6, 10, 12, whatever I have shown mathematically. So here it is coming. You can match with here also. Same result, 6, 10, 12 and 12. Here also it is coming same thing. So this is element wise operation, and this is column wise multiplication of matrix in row column wise. So in element wise operation we have to give just one extra thing, dot here, and it is going to execute. Now summary of my talk. So for normal multiplication of matrix, the column of A must be equal to the row of B. The number of columns of A must be equal to the number of row of B. Use dot into for element wise multiplication. In element wise multiplication, the dimension of A and the dimension of B should be same, but it is not same in the row column wise multiplication. Okay, thank you.